Welcome once again to my channel, HiCat Tutorials. Okay, so here on the screen I have a flanged T fitting, and you can also see that the fitting here is cut open to reveal the internal structure. You can see here that it is also sectioned using the hatch command. Let me switch to the hidden view. Okay, you can see that the pipe fitting here is cut open to reveal the internal structure, and also the hatch command is used to create this very section. So I'm going to switch on the dimensions of this drawing and start it all over again. So come over to the layers panel and click on this arrow and turn on the dimensions. So here are the dimensions. Click on this switch to turn it on. Okay, so here, these are the dimensions for this very drawing. So I'm going to repeat this drawing using these specified dimensions. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to switch to the front view. Click on this and choose front. Okay. So here is the front view of this drawing. I'm going to start a fresh one beside this drawing. Use the line command and draw a line of length 112. Enter. Then draw another one vertically of 115. 115 and enter. Okay, now draw another line again of 118. So click on the line command, start from the right point, draw another line of 118. Okay. So right now I'm going to switch to isometric view. So come to the view panel, click on this and choose Southwest Isometric. Okay. Okay, so next I will have to draw 3 circles, one at the end of each of these lines as the center points. And the first circle here is of diameter 190. Okay, so before I draw the circle, I will have to change the UCS to left. So come here and click on left. Alright, so now draw the circle of diameter 190. Enter 190. Okay, draw the second circle with diameter 180. Click on this. Enter 180. Also draw the third circle. So I have to draw the third circle and the diameter is 175. But before I do that, I'll have to change the UCS back to top. So click on this and click on top. Then draw this circle. Click on the circle command. Locate this point at the center and enter 175. Alright. So again, I'll have to draw these circles, these 4 circles on each of the flange. Starting from the top, you can see that the distance between this center and the center of this circle is 70. So I'm going to draw a line of 70. Click on the line command. Click on this and draw a line of length 70. Okay. And the radius of this circle, the radius is 8. So click on the circle command again and choose center radius. Put here at the center, enter 8. Okay. Now use the polar array command to array this circle. Come over to the modify panel, click on this and choose polar array. Now click on this circle, enter. Now with here at the center, I have 6 circles there, but I need 4. So I right click, choose items, and enter 4, and exit this command. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing here. I have to draw this circle this time. So I see that the center distance between this small circle and this is 76. Okay, so I now change the UCS to left. So click on this. Right. So again, I'm going to draw another line of 76 from the center. Enter 76. Okay. Again, at the end of this very line, draw another circle of radius 8. So click on the circle command and choose center radius. Which here at the center, enter 8. Okay. Now use the polar array command again. Polar array, click on this circle, which here at the center. Now click and choose items and enter 4 and exit this command. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the same here. Okay, so remove this line. Now I can now copy these 4 circles and transfer them over here using the copy command. Copy these 4 circles. Copy from the center and drop it right here as this command. Okay, so the next I'll do now is to also create this circle. So come over to the circle command again, click and choose center radius and draw a circle of radius 46. Enter 46. And clean up this line as well. Now draw another circle of radius 38. And to do that, I'll have to switch the UCS back to top. So click on this and click on top. Okay. Now draw a circle of radius 38. Click on center radius, which here as center, enter 38. Okay. Now the thickness of this pipe here is 6 mm. So what I'll do here is to use the offset command and offset these 2 circles by 6. So come to the modify panel and click on the offset command and enter 6. Then offset this circle inwards, offset this again inwards, and exit this command. Okay, so next I'm going to use the extrude command to extrude these 2 circles and also these 2. So click on the extrude command and extrude these 2 circles, this and this, enter, down to this point, a little above it. Also extrude these 2 as well. Click on the extrude command, extrude this and this, enter, and extrude up to this very point. Okay. So the union command, click on the union command, click on this. Okay, so I'm going to switch to 3D wireframe. Click on this and click on 3D wireframe so I can see the lines clearly. So click on union command. Now click on this, and this, enter. Then click on the union command again and join this and the inner one here, which is this. Okay, so I now have two geometry, this and this. So next I will use the solid subtract command to subtract this inner one from this. So click on the solid subtract command, click on this, enter, then subtract this inner one, which is this. Now open. Okay, so next I will have to also use the extrude command to extrude this circle and this other smaller 4 circles. So click on the extrude command again, extrude this, this, this and this, and also this, enter, down to a height of 12. Okay, now do the same for this. Click on the extrude command, click on these 4 circles, and this, enter, extrude to a height of 12. Okay, do the same thing here. Click on extrude command, click on this, this, and this, enter, and extrude to a length of 12. Okay. Now I'm going to use the solid subtract command to remove these ones, these smaller extruded circles. So click on solid subtract. Now click on this one first, enter, then subtract this, and this, enter. That's done. Subtract these ones as well. Click on the solid subtract command. Click on this first, enter, then subtract this, and this. Done. Now do the same for this. Click on solid subtract, subtract from this, and remove this, and this. Okay, that's done. So let's view and see how that looks like now. Okay, now with the press pull command, I'm going to pull out some of this geometry. So click on the press pull command, click on this, pull it out, click on this, pull it down at the red point, then click on the 2D wireframe, click on the press pull command, pull it out to the red portion. Okay, now turn this around, exit, then pull this out again. Click on this, pull this out. Okay, exit this command, return to. Okay, so let's see how that looks like. Okay. Alright. Okay, now use the union command to join them all up. Okay. So I'll have to now create this section. So I'm going to open it up to reveal the internal structure. Doing that, I'll have to use the rectangle command. Click on the rectangle command and locate here at the start point, then draw a rectangle. This should be okay. Now use the press pull command. Pull this rectangle down. Okay. Exit. Then use the solid subtract command to remove this. Click on solid subtract command. Click on this. Then click on this. Okay. So this object has now been opened up. So next I will now have to apply this section. Let me switch back to hidden view to reveal this. Okay, you can see this. I now have to apply this hatch on the cross section of this very drawing. And I have to do this using the hatch command. So I'm going to remove all these lines. Remove these lines. Okay. Okay, so the next I'll do now is to apply this hatch on this surface. What I'll do here is to now come to the drop panel and click on the hatch command, which is this. Okay, now choose the type of hatch I want to apply. I want to apply this. And also choose the scale. I choose 30 as the scale and enter. Okay, now locate the area or the points I want to hatch. That's the internal point. Click on this one first. Click on this. Or click on this. Click on this. Click on this. Also click on this. Okay. Again, I have to apply the hatch on this other surface. So to do that, I'll have to change the position of the UCS to left. So click on this and choose left. Alright, now apply the hatch here. So click on the hatch again. Command, click on this, choose hatch. Now the setup is already there. It's 30 and also this one has been chosen. What I'll do is to click on this surface. Right? Click on this, which has now been applied on this other surface. So let's now view the hidden. Okay, so here are the hatch now applied. View other. So this is another view, the shade of gray. So here we have the drawing now complete. Let me use the orbit to move it around. So okay, so thank you for watching and please do subscribe for more of my tutorials.